Hey guys, so today we're gonna go to Venice Beach and Santa Monica Pier. I'm really excited. I've seen like photos and everything of it and it looks really pretty, so I'm really excited to see it. I think we're gonna do the walk in between the two, so it'll be nice to get some exercise because all we've really been doing is eating. So yeah, I'm excited, and I'll probably, I don't know if I'll actually vlog because it's a pretty dodgy area, I think, so I'll probably just put in some clips from my phone after this, and then I will see you guys when I get back.
But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So yeah, we're back from Santa Monica. We went from Venice to Santa Monica. You would have seen some clips in before this. It was really pretty. I liked it. Santa Monica Pier is like ugly up close though.
It actually is. It's a bit dodgy.
But I was kind of expecting that because it looks ugly in pictures. So I was like not expecting it to be the most beautiful thing in the world. It was really fun either way. It was like an experience thing. So we got henna tattoos. Lisa's is heaps better than mine because
I looked after mine and didn't smudge it.
the guy was literally like, don't touch it, and I smudged it within like 0.5 seconds. So there's that. Yeah, love my life. We're gonna probably have to go get some after sun stuff later because when I get sunburnt it usually just gets worse and worse before it gets better. So yeah, there's that. And now we're just gonna eat some McDonald's. We went to Target and bought food so that we wouldn't get Uber Eats again, and then literally all the time we'll just be sitting here and we'll look over and one of us will be on Uber Eats, like. So yeah, we ordered McDonald's, which I'm excited about because the cups are so big and I love Coke. This is like the size of Coke I need every day.
Yeah.
Day.
I don't even know what day. It's Sunday.
It's Sunday. Today we're going to Melrose Avenue to take some Instagram photos because there's some cool spots around. Lisa and I low-key look like twins today. We've like color coordinated by accident and everything, which is like, where are you? Can you not? It's got like beige on her shirt and I've got like a beige hat on, and like we're both wearing black shorts and a white t-shirt, and we have and Vans. We both have henna tattoos on our hands and straight black hair. So yeah, that's us today. Actually, I think someone was asking us yesterday if we were related because we walked past and he was like, oh, who's older? And I was like, Meid. Also, I have a pimple on my chin and it's making my lip so swollen that I feel like I have lip injections.
I was gonna say, maybe
like my lip actually
you don't need to get lip fillers now.
I just get big pimples every week. Love that. I'll take you guys along with me. I'll vlog while we're out and show you.
Get to see all the Instagrammy spots in LA.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the Pink Wall and like the Meid in LA wall. Lots of cool places. So stay tuned. Yes, I am. Thanks so much for pointing that out to me, random wall in LA. Thanks for that. but we pretty much just went to... What did you say? Oh, we went to Melrose Avenue to try and take Instagram photos, but
it was too fucking sunny.
It was way too bright, so we didn't succeed with that. So right now I'm waiting for an Uber. We just went shopping. I'll have to do a haul at some stage. And now we're going back to the room because our feet hurt because we still haven't bought a pair of joggers.
We literally bought everything except shoes.
We tried to buy a pair of shoes today. That's what we went shopping for, and I left with like no pairs of shoes literally at all. Yeah, and we actually need them because we want to do like Runyon Canyon, and I can't do that in Vans because they're just flat. I just can't do it. So yeah, that's it for now really. I'll check back in later when we're doing something exciting.
Yeah, we never do exciting
which is never. Hello. So today we're going to Warner Brothers Studio. We're going to do... Wow, that was rude of you. I'm sorry. I know I can't really talk. I literally like have coughing fits and die in the back of all of your videos. Today we're going to Warner Brothers. Oh my god, you can see the mess in the background. Let's not with that. We're going to Warner Brothers Studios. We're going to do the studio tour. I'm really excited. So much cool stuff in there. It's where the Friends set is, like Central Perk, and they have the lounge and everything. I'm so excited, but Lisa just told me that apparently you're not allowed to film inside, so I'll try and take some like photos and some like sneaky phone videos.
All around me are familiar faces.
So if the clips after this aren't fabulous quality, that's why, so don't at me.
We're breaking the rules for you guys.
we out here being criminals for the vlog. That's our plan for today, and then after that we're gonna go shopping again. Take 2, take 3, because we still haven't bought a pair of joggers and we really want to do Runyon Canyon, but we can't do it in the shoes that we bought, so. Yeah, that's the plan. I will catch up with you guys probably after the studio tour once we're outside and I won't get arrested for holding my camera. Yeah, I'll see you guys then. Bye.
You love that, don't you?
It's my favorite thing to do.
My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human.
So, story time. The whole time, like, I was preparing to come to America, I just knew something shitty was gonna happen to me while I was over here.
Sorry.
The nerve. Anyways, as I was saying before Lisa rudely interrupted me, I knew something shitty. You just did it again. I knew something shitty was gonna happen to me, and it happened. I lost my wallet today. I thought I left it in Urban Outfitters, and I called them and they said they didn't have it. So I called the Uber driver to ask if he had it, and he didn't speak English, so he kept hanging up on me. He hung up on me like 5 times, and then some random nice girl from Australia must have been in the Uber after me, and she found me on Facebook, and she was like, oh, like, this is kind of random, but are you in LA at the moment? And I was like, yes, I am. Like, please, for the love of all good things in the world, tell me that this is about my lost wallet. And she was like, yeah, I found it in Pedro. That, just to set the story straight, his name's Pedro. Found it in Pedro's Uber. He's gonna put it in the lost and found. I was like, okay, amazing. So I kept trying to call Pedro, and he would like not answer, or he would answer and then he wouldn't be able to understand what I was saying, and he would hang up on me again. So I'm freaking out because like both of my key cards were in there. I only bought 2 key cards so that in case I lost one I would have a spare, but when you lose both of them at once it kind of defeats the purpose. That was at like 4:30 p.m. It's now 9:47 p.m. and I finally got my wallet back via having to go get another Uber to pick it up from Pedro because he lied to me on the phone and told me that he waited outside for me for 30 minutes and tried to call me, but he didn't.
Fucking Pedro.
There's no missed calls on my phone. Like, he's full of actual shit. He's getting 1 star, by the way. So then I go downstairs to meet the Uber that was dropping it off for me, Martha, who is a nice lady. And this is what I find. It says, from Pedro to Sarah. Tell me this doesn't look like it would contain a bag of cocaine. The Uber driver must have been so sketch that just dropped it off. I have my wallet back now, hopefully. I haven't actually opened it to see if everything's in there. They didn't rob me. They gave me all my money back.
Love that for you.
I'm still giving you 1 star though, Pedro. Fuck you.
This is the abuse I have to put up with.
Okay guys, that's the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, or don't, I don't mind. And give this video a thumbs up and turn on post notifications so that you never miss a post. And I will see you in the next one. I'm going to Disneyland, just a heads up. So you're gonna wanna be there for that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.
You're a pretty little